Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to publish your work in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty simple to do, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. This can also be a very useful tool, which is publishing it to the web, in which you can use it for your academic text such as research paper or even thesis paper. Now, let's get started. Do not worry if you're a beginner, a first-timer, or if you're just in general not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let us get started. Before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you're using is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any unexpected errors along the way. As you can see, I'm currently in a Google Docs file in my Google Chrome. And right here we have a sample paragraph or a sample text, which I also use to do a tutorial on how you can do grammar checking on Google Docs. If you would like to check that tutorial out, please head over to the dedicated playlist for the compilation of Google Docs on our YouTube channel. Now, what I would like to do is to publish this specific Google Docs file into the web. In order for us to do that, we would like to focus on the upper panel of our screen. As you can see on the upper side, we have different options to choose from. We got bullets, we got the alignment option, and many more. Above the ribbon, we actually have different tabs right over here. We have a total of 8 tabs that we can use. However, for the sake of this video, I would like you to focus on the File tab. Click on the File tab once, and as you can see, it will give us a drop-down in which we can choose from different options. Now, in order to publish our work to the web, what we would like to click on is the fourth option, which says Share. And as you can see, as we hover our mouse to the Share button, we have two options now. Share with others, in which we can copy the link and share it with other colleagues, other members, and more. But if we would like to publish it to the web, click on the second option right here. Click on it once, and as you can see, you can make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. You can link to or embed your document. If you want to learn more, just click on this one, or you can actually click on the embed one. But for me, I would like to stick on the link. Now, all we have to do is to press the publish button. Click on it once, and as you can see, we have a confirmation text right over here which says, "Are you sure you want to publish this selection?" If you are sure that you would like to publish your document, just press OK. Wait for it to be published, and as you can see, we have a status that says it's published. Once it is done, you can share the link using different platforms, or you can just copy the link right over here. You can press Ctrl+C to copy, and that's it. As simple as that, we have published our work in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as drop a like in this video. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.